guys, welcome back. Thank you for coming back. If you're new here, thank you for coming to hang out. Tonight's video is going to be honestly a very short one, and when I say that I mean it this time, I promise. I'm doing a quick little video on how to chrome nails. So a lot of dip powders, any dip powder that you have that has a shimmer in it can be chromed, and it's a really cool effect, and it makes your dip powders kind of like a 2-in-1. And tonight I'm going to be chroming Nebula Dip's Orion, which is like the coolest dip in the world. I'm going to be chroming it over black. You can chrome over black, white, clear, like you can chrome over any other color, and it makes such a different effect with every color that you have underneath the chrome. It's very simple to do. You do need a few things that you don't typically have if you're only dipping. You need a gel top coat. You can use one with a tacky layer. I have a no wipe top coat that I'm going to use tonight. You need a light then, of course, to cure your gel. And you can use your finger to do the actual chroming. I use these like cheapy little eyeshadow applicators. I get like a 10-pack at Walmart for $1 or $2 or something like that, because you kind of can't you can reuse them with the same color, but you can't, they never really get clean. That's why they're gross for eyeshadow, and they don't work for eyeshadow. Anyways, all right. Moving right along, I have a black swatch stick here. I'm going to show you Orion chromed over black because I think it is the coolest way to do it, but it does look really neat over white as well. I usually chrome things over black for whatever purpose. So I am going to flip everything down so that you can see my workspace and you can see where my lamp is, and that's how it is when you're using gel things. I don't use gel often. I'm not very good at it, but this is really simple. So I'm going to flip everything down and I will see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so I have my black base swatch stick here. I actually just put a layer of black polish on here because I didn't want to go through the trouble of dipping a swatch just for this. So to chrome, you will need your gel top coat, and you have to make this coat as smooth and as bubble free as you can. When you chrome on top of a gel top coat, it will show like all of your problems. It will show every tiny little bubble, every tiny little bump, and it's super annoying. So just do the best job you can on getting a nice even top coat. And here's another weird thing about using a no wipe top coat. This isn't the case with top coats that have a tacky layer, and it's obvious because the pigment of the dip that you're chroming needs something to stick to. That's not to say that you can just entirely leave the tacky layer on a tacky layer top coat, which is why I don't use it. It's annoying because you have to like wipe off as much of the tacky layer as you can, but still leave enough to be able to chrome into it. It's annoying. It's annoying, so I use a no wipe top coat to chrome. But when you're doing that, you will also need isopropyl alcohol. And I don't know why, I don't know like the science behind it, but if you try to chrome on a no wipe top coat after it's cured, it won't do it. It'll just, you can rub it on, but then you can also just rub it immediately off. But if you do your top coat, do a full cure, wipe the nail down with rubbing alcohol, and then chrome, it comes out perfect and beautiful, and I don't know why. If there's some kind of science behind it that I should know about, let me know. If it's just one of those things in life that's how it is and nobody knows why, let me know that also. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to do my top coat, my gel top coat in the smoothest possible layer, because like I said, any bubble, any bump, once you're chroming, it will show. Alright, looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to pop this in my lamp for a full cure for 2 minutes, and I will be back when that's done. So that is done a full cure, and like I said, it's not there's no tacky layer on this. If I were to, you know what, I'm going to show you. If I try to chrome on top of this, like it looks kind of like it's showing up. Can you see that? It looks like it's kind of chromed, but then I can just fully wipe it off. You can wipe it right off. So take rubbing alcohol. I just use a paper towel, wipe it down well, and then get into it. I mean, it doesn't have to still be wet, but I like to do it right away. And you just pick up some of the pigment with your applicator and rub it in. You have to kind of rub aggressively, like you're a little bit angry at it. And that is chromed. Oh yeah, I guess you can kind of see the shifting a little bit. Not perfectly, but again, I'll take a few pictures of this in some daylight and show you what it looks like. It's so cool. It looks kind of like an oil spill. I love this. And then to finish it off, I will go back, do one more layer of my gel top coat just to protect this. And again, fully cure, of course. Okay guys, that's it. That's how easy it is to chrome. And like I said, you can do it with any nail dip that you have that has like a shimmer in it. Not just, I mean, not glitter, not sparkle, but a shimmer. And like, it's so cool. Oh my God, could this thing focus ever in my life? There we go. Yeah, so like I said, you probably can't see it. Oh, well, oh yeah, there you go. Yeah. All right, cool. So yeah, I'm gonna take a few pictures of this. Hello? Focus? Okay. I'll take a few pictures of this tomorrow in daylight. I might take a short little video and put that at the end of this video too. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find it helpful. Don't forget that you need to wipe your swatch, even if it's a no wipe top coat, especially if it's a no wipe top coat, with rubbing alcohol, and then immediately get in there and chrome that nail. And do it one nail at a time if you're doing all your nails chromed. I don't know why that works when it's a no wipe top coat, but it does. So I keep doing it and I get pretty decent results out of it. So let me know if you guys want to see anything else. Yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. This is a short one, I told you. Hit the subscribe button, hit like if you like this video, hit dislike if you don't like this video. You're allowed, it's a free country. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.